As mentioned in my review and unboxing of the Megalodon True Heavy Metals chase piece, I was going to do a video of all of them together as a review, and this is the video. And we're going to start it off with Son of a Digger from the Spin Master Monster Jam line. Son of a Digger was in Series 22. And I left this one in the package. I don't think I even showed it on a video. I don't believe I did, but here is Son of a Digger. The motor is painted, but for some reason, the shocks are not, as the other trucks that we're gonna take a look at have those painted. So this is Son of a Digger. We're gonna go on to now El Toro Loco as he comes in. As you can see that the motor painted black and the suspension is painted with the orange color. And underneath, this is what it was, that the base of it is metal, true heavy metals. We can see it right there. I'm gonna move on now to Dragon. I really liked how Dragon looked with the color of orange that they used for the motor and suspension. The green wheels went along with the Dragon body. On to now, the Grave Digger. And they made like a silver with the Grave Digger and also the suspension. So a little bit different there for the other trucks. And moving on then to Max D. Now, Max D, I believe his motor is painted. Actually, when I did this unboxing, I didn't really realize the difference that it went along with the roll cage and everything. So maybe it's not even painted. As I look at it now, it looks like it's all one color, that they just painted the suspension, which is really different. Would have been nice if they painted this area of the motor black. That would have been nice. And then underneath, the base of it is black, which was a cool concept to go with. Really made a contrast between the base of it and also the roll cage. And then the last one already is Megalodon. So here is the Megalodon one, the base of it, and what it looks like in the front for these true heavy metals. And you can really see the difference in with the driver. If you can see that, there we go. I had to bring it up closer. So there we go. That's a little review of the True Heavy Metal chase pieces from 2022. Thank you for tuning in.